Creating a website can be intimidating. Digital agencies cost a lot of money, and do-it-yourself solutions require time and technical knowledge. Looking for a hassle-free solution? UENI is a simple way to get your business online. Whether you're a service provider or sell products, creating a website to take bookings or setting up an online store with us is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You'll then be directed to a form asking you some questions about your business so that you can get started building your site. Don't worry if you're not ready to provide your information right away. We'll send you an email with a link to the form so you can complete it at your convenience. In the form, we'll ask you to tell us about the services you offer and the products you sell. And you'll be able to upload images, provide links to your social media or other sites you have, and share anything you want customers to know about your business. Step 2. We get to work. We'll take all the information you give us and transform it into your professional online presence. We'll design and build your website or online store. We'll set up your products and build out your services. We'll write all the content to rank your website on Google, and we'll host and manage your website. And you'll get to enjoy all the time you've saved by choosing us. Step 3. The wow moment. We will send you an email and an SMS when your website is ready with all of the design, content, and integrations done for you. And it's ready to sell products and take bookings immediately. Whenever you need to, you can make content or design changes to your website from our easy-to-use editor, like uploading new products and images or adding a promotion. Need help? Just reach out to our team on live chat. We can sort out most things on the spot. Looking for a hassle-free, affordable solution? Launch your business online with UENI. We'll make it happen.